morning, class 8C. In our last class, we have completed the chapter Elements, Compounds and Mixtures. Now today we are going to start a fourth chapter, that is Atomic Structure. In this chapter we are going to study about the structure of atoms, about the particles, subatomic particles like electrons, protons and neutrons. Then we'll learn about atomic number, what is mass number, so how to calculate the number of protons, electrons and neutrons if the atomic number or mass number are given. Then we'll also learn how to write down the electronic configuration of the elements. So all these things we are going to study under this chapter. So structure of atom or atomic structure. So first we'll try to understand what is an atom. An atom is considered as the smallest indivisible particle of a matter. Say for example, to understand the concept of matter, what we do is we'll take a piece of chalk. We divide into two parts first. Then we'll further start dividing that two parts in further two more parts. So we keep on the process continuation, and a step will be reached where you'll find a small indivisible particle. That means a small particle which cannot be further divided. That we can call it as an atom. Okay. Now, on the various research and development, John Dalton proposed some points or postulates on the atoms, which is known as Dalton's atomic theory. So, according to Dalton's atomic theory, the first point is all matter consists of indivisible particles called atoms. So all the matter consists of very indivisible particles that we call as atoms. Next is the atom is the smallest unit of matter that can take part in a chemical reaction. So in the chemical reaction, it is the atom which takes part. Okay, it is the atom which takes part. Next, atoms of an element can combine in more than one ratio to form two or more compounds. So atoms of same element can combine in more than one ratio to form two or more compounds. Say for example, carbon and oxygen can form carbon monoxide, as well as carbon and oxygen can form carbon dioxide. Fine. Next, a very important point, atoms of the same element are similar in shape and mass but different from the atoms of other element. This statement comes to be false, because atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different mass numbers are called isotopes, which does not hold over here. And the example of isotopes will be isotopes of hydrogen, having ordinary hydrogen having atomic number 1 and mass number is also 1. Then we have got deuterium, atomic number 1, mass number 2. Then tritium, atomic number 1, mass number 3. So all these are the isotopes of hydrogen, where you have got the same element but they have got same atomic number but different mass number. So that is a contradiction regarding the Dalton's atomic theory, which has been further modified. Next, once again, this statement, atoms of different elements may combine with each other in a fixed simple whole number ratios to form compounds. So atoms of different elements combines with the fixed and a simple whole number ratio to form compounds. And next, in this contradiction is there isobars. Okay, isobars are the atoms which have the same mass number but different atomic number. This also could not be explained by the Dalton's atomic theory. Examples, argon and calcium. Argon has atomic number 18 and calcium has atomic number 20, but both of them have got the mass number 40. So that could not be explained by Dalton's atomic theory. And lastly, atoms can not be created nor destroyed. So it has been mentioned that atoms can neither be created nor destroyed, but during nuclear reactions, what will happen? An atom is destroyed as well as an atom is also created. So this is also one drawback of the Dalton's atomic theory. Now your today's assignment, please note it down. Question number 1. State Dalton's write the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. So whatever postulates we discussed, you write it according to the point wise. Okay, or you can refer to your textbook as well. That is your question number 1. Next, for today's assignment, question number 2. This will be assignment number 12. Please note that this will be assignment number 12. Question number 2 will be define isotopes, give examples. And question number 3 will be define isobars, give examples. So complete this assignment and send it in my mail.